Where's the toy? Go get your toy. Where'd it go? Come on. Where'd it go? Give me the toy. Give me that toy. I want it. I want this toy. What's that? What's that? Give me that toy. I want it. Oh, get the toy. Get that toy. Oh. What you got? What do you got, crazy girl? Crazy girl. Give me that. Give me that. What? It's kind of blurry. Video's kind of blurry. I think it has a hard time focusing at night. Yeah, hi. Hi. No, no chewing. No chewing. You got a deer leg today, didn't you? That was so nice. That was so nice to get a deer leg. Yeah. Fine. What? What do I smell like? Would you consider going in? Huh? Would you consider going in? Wait. Wait, no chewing on me. You're not allowed to chew on me. You got a pumpkin? Did you get a pumpkin, Roo? What's that? You got a pumpkin. Come here. Come here. Your little glowing eyes. You got glowing eyes. Yes, you do. Come here. Am I standing in something? Come here. I remember you got a pumpkin once before. Yeah. What is that? Oh. Come get it. Come get it and play. Come on. I see you out there. How come I'm in the cage and you're out there? Huh? How come? I can't believe you picked that up. I can't believe you picked that up. Look at you. Little devil eyes. You got devil eyes. Yes, you do. What is that? I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get that pumpkin. I'm gonna get that pumpkin. Here we go. Gonna get it. We're gonna play soccer. Get him. Get him. Give me that. Give me that. Give me that. I want that. Get that. Get it. What you got? I'm giving up. I'm giving up withholding food. Because it just doesn't matter, does it? Oh, that's your shadow. Gosh. You're carving a pumpkin. You're carving a pumpkin. You know the good stuff's inside? Huh? You know the good stuff's inside? Wow, you're pretty good at that. You're pretty good at that. Is that fun? Is that fun? Didn't take you long. Gotta go. Go. I see you. I see you coming. Keeping me up all night. Who do you think you are keeping me up all night? Don't seem so pleased with yourself. Don't you seem so pleased with yourself? What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't got nothing for you. I got nothing for you. I got nothing for you because you're a bad coyote. 1, 2, 3. You missed it. You missed it. What are you doing? What are you doing? Ah! What? Do you want your deer leg? Huh? Should we give you your deer leg back? What? Oh, I know you're vicious. Oh, vicious. Let's go get you your deer leg. Come on. Come on. Oh, look at you. You want an agility course? Oh! Hey, you just clipped me. You clipped me. Wait. Wait. Oh, it's a good girl. Are you a good girl? Huh? Come on, let's go get it. Come on.